Good morning, it's Amanda from Secrets from a Beauty Insider. So here goes nothing. This is the preparation for my awards today. It's the finals of the Gold Coast Women of the Year Awards, hosted by Harvey and the Gold Coast Bulletin, and I'm going to do my makeup. Not really sure what I'm going to do. Weirdly feeling a little bit nervous, so I'm just going to get into it. May not chat that much. Just going to get my makeup done and see where the creative juices kind of take me. I'm thinking coppery golds, but we'll see. And I've prepped my skin. I've got a Wrinkle Schminkles chest pad on because I wake up, I don't know about you guys, but I do wake up in the morning with fairly deep creases through my décolletage, and you know, it's an awards day, so I want those suckers smooth. I've also prepped my skin with the Biology hydration serum, officially called the body serum, but it's incredible for the face. Really good at repairing the mantle of your skin, really great for hypersensitized skin. That has sincerely helped immensely, along with the Omnilux treatment that I had earlier, Omnilux light treatment therapy thingy that I had earlier with Sam from Skin Matters has really helped my dermatitis get sorted, because you know, you can't cover with makeup, you can't cover lumps and bumps. You can definitely reduce redness, but if something's bumpy, good luck to you. Actually, makeup makes it look worse. So I'm just going to put a bit of Veleda Skin Food on my lips. And I did say I wasn't going to chat. I can't help myself, can I? Talking to you guys is making me feel a little less nervous, I'll be honest. Don't know why I'm nervous. I thought I was just really bloody excited. Maybe it's just the thought of, I don't know, going up on stage, having to speak. Although I did that on Wednesday in front of 1,000 people, so, you know, I think I'll be all right. So that's Veleda Skin Food, loading that up on my lips. And I'm going to use this Hint, well, that light is super bright, the Hint Beauty Sun Prep Broad Spectrum Factor 30. It's also a beautiful primer, but it's clean. There's nothing nasty in there. So I'm just going to use that all over. I don't suggest you use this every day. It's fairly clean, but then it's got a significant amount of fragrance, so heaven knows what's in that. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. You find it in most makeup artist kits. Let's nickname it hairspray for the face. Of course it isn't, but it just gives your makeup real stickability. Genuinely feel this way. I feel like I've won already. Just to be a finalist feels pretty epic. And the women that, I mean, in my category, the women are pretty cool anyway, but across the board, there's some amazing women doing phenomenal things here on the Gold Coast, and I'm just genuinely honoured to be lumped in with them, to be keeping company with them feels pretty bloody cool. Okay, stop chatting, Amanda, or you're going to be late. Yes. Bring out the big guns that have significant stickability for a long day, and I want my makeup Mineral Goddess. mineral loose eyeshadow in Shelly. Oh, it would have been really awesome if I'd brought my makeup brushes up with me. Yeah, here's some here. So I'm just putting a little bit on the brush, tapping the excess off. And I'm just going to pat that on all over my lid. And look in my mirror because I can't see diddly what's it in that camera. I think I might go for, let's see, I have an old favourite colour in here called Peanut Butter. It's in this Too Faced palette. Where is it? There. I definitely feel like after 45, the hoodie bit of my eye is just really quite significant. Like the change is quite significant. Okay, so that's the kind of shape I'm gonna go with. Just find that suits my eyes. It suits all hooded eyes, to be honest. Just gives that illusion of lifting. So knowing where to put your shadow to cheat a lifted looking eye is the secret. So I'm just going to deepen up that crease a little bit, I think. It is actually a Becca highlighter in rose gold, but I quite like it just on this fleshy part of my eye. So that was just a little bit of the Becca, God, what's it called? I should know, I use it all the time. Shimmering Skin Perfector. So it's actually a highlighter, but I like to put a little bit of that through my eye because I am going to use it on my skin. The other thing I do like to use is this Era Perez bronzer. I like to put a little bit of that through my eyes. I might just do that. Oh, hello, there I am on camera. Right, I've got to use this mirror and I've got to go that way, don't I? I know we don't have time to do this every day. This is not what I would do everyday makeup, and it's definitely not something you can do when you've got your children bombing about. But if you ever get time just to sit and play, colours really are just about sitting and playing. Like you can see now I've added that. It's just added another, it's taken the makeup to another level. Thanks, Sabine. Thank you so much. I'm doing my makeup for the awards right now. But yeah, just having a bit of time to play with colour. I'm very excited. It's it's been a process trying to find the right thing, but I'm lucky enough to have a few stylists in my life. And one of my phenomenal stylist friends in Melbourne sent me a picture of this frock, and I was like, yes, that is it. So I purchased it. It's from a label called Torrance in Melbourne, and it's like a candy stripe, but blue and like a cornflower blue, my mother would call it, I'd imagine. Cornflower blue and white stripe off the shoulder. It's really fun. It's a fun frock, but it's really nice. Perfect daytime dress, I'd say. And I don't have to wear magic pants or a bra. So that's exciting. I can be comfortable. Oh, yes. I can be comfortable. Right, I really can't see what I'm doing. So I'm just smudging that eyeliner. For two reasons. One, I don't like to see hard lines. And two, the little bit of powder on my brush sets the waxiness of the pencil so it won't move. I'm going to pull some good faces now. Loose mineral shadow in Pearl, just to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Luminous silk. Today, I have got a spray tan. Thank you, Nikki D Beauty. I'm addicted, and you're really good. And I love that you use an organic tan. I can be guilt-free. Oh, my skin feels amazing. It's really smooth, and it hasn't been. So definitely feel like, well, several things are going on here. The Biology Hydration Serum has definitely helped. YSL Touche Eclat today calls for that. I've had 3 5 a.m. starts and very long days, and she needs a bit of help under the eye area. This is brand newy, so whoop, that's why we're doing a significant amount of clicking here. Okay. I feel like I want to say something about mum. There we go. Good, isn't it? Subtle, but significant. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think mum needs to be in there. Oh, what am I doing? Lost the plot. Thinking about mum. Yeah. But it's a very subtle way to highlight, and that's actually what that Touche Eclat is for. It's not a concealer, it's really a highlighter. I don't know why I'm putting it up there. I don't usually do that. I'm doing all sorts of mad things today. God, those eyebrows. Forgot about them. Okay. Right, just check my mirror. This way. Oh yes, it's just too much makeup for me. It's freaking me out. Foundation. Anyway, we'll buff it down. Okay. So next I'm going to do a little bit of cheek using Era Perez Healthy. And then I'm going to actually go over it with this matte colour that I've rediscovered that I used to love and I love once again. It's called Copper Tone. It's an old colour. I've got no idea if they still do it, but it's just a really nice matte apricot-y toned powder blush. Also like it through my eyes. So just whack a bit of that on. And I need a brush that hasn't got anything on it. I'm going to do a bit of bronzer. I'm actually going to use the Era Perez one because I put that through my eyes. And I find when you bring your bronzer into your eyes, it just sort of ties everything together. That was not a clean brush, Amanda. So just a little bit of shaping my face with the bronzer. It's good bronzer, isn't it? Just make sure you've got a hard line there. Under the gobble gobble. Turkey neck, as my sister calls it. Okay, I'm just going to use a little bit of the Becca Shine Skin Perfector in Rose Gold. Just tap a little bit high up there. And that is way too big a brush for that job. 9:05, yeah, shit, I gotta go. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows real quick and then I'm off. Because I'm late. Knew that would happen. Okay. Setting spray. Okay. I'll see you on the other side. Woo!